Understanding solar panels, an essential guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of solar panels. These devices are not only interesting but are also crucial in our journey towards sustainable energy. Let's dive in and understand what solar panels are all about. Solar panels are devices that convert sunlight into electricity. They are composed of many smaller units called solar cells, usually made of silicon, a material that is very effective at absorbing sunlight. When sunlight hits a solar cell, it creates an electric current. This process is known as the photovoltaic effect. Solar panels play a vital role in producing renewable energy. Unlike fossil fuels, solar energy doesn't produce harmful emissions, making it environmentally friendly. This technology is essential in the fight against climate change and in reducing our carbon footprint. By using solar panels, we can generate electricity in a clean and sustainable way. Solar panels have a wide range of applications. They are used in residential settings to power homes, commercial buildings for electricity needs, remote areas where connecting to the power grid is challenging, spacecraft and satellites, where they provide power for long missions. The future of solar energy is bright. Advancements in technology are making solar panels more efficient and affordable. This means that in the future, more people around the world will have access to clean, renewable energy. The expansion of solar energy is key to a sustainable and energy-secure future. I hope this video has shed some light on what solar panels are and why they are so important for our planet. Remember, every step towards renewable energy is a step towards a healthier Earth. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more informative videos.